here we go. We're on the road, we're fueled up, 328 kilometres in a tank. Easter long weekend. We're going to go camping off the motorbike with a little bit of assistance from the wife in the four-wheel drive. So this is a bit of a test run, loading things up, testing things out. Yeah, we'll check in, see how we're getting on. Alright, buckle up. This is our first stop on our, what are we calling it, shakedown run. This is a small town in Northampton, only 50 k's away from where we started. We're going to pull over shortly and just have a look at everything, make sure everything's all strapped down alright, make sure it's all, you know, tickety-boo as per such. Should be fine. I haven't felt anything moving around. Bike's been beautiful on the highway. She's been, you know, just cruising along as you'd expect it to, I guess. You know, it is a brand new bike. Other comments would be, I can see what people mean, it's a bit revvy, but realistically it's a revvy engine. Later on down the track I might play with doing a 15-tooth sprocket and just see how that affects all the revving. I've also got a slightly taller tyre turning up for the back, which is suspected to drop highway revs by about 500 RPM, which will also be beautiful. So we'll see how that goes first. If that doesn't work, we will try the 15-tooth sprocket and see how we go. Yeah, beauty. Anyway, enjoy the views of Northampton. Okay. The boys. Look at them all. Look at them all. Alright, let's have a quick look-see. That looks pretty good, pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, fuck yeah. El Minto. Mintaz. Righto. How good does that look, bud? What a weapon. Fuck yeah. Love it. So good. Cool. Happy days. Oh. Got to get used to swinging the leg over. With the bags on. I can do it without the bags. It's not a problem. Another 150 k's to go. About 70 of that is dirt. Pretty cruisy dirt though. Very cruisy dirt, so it's not too concerning. I'm actually quite excited for that part. Anyway, follow along.
Later.
It's approved rectangular review.
Here we are in the township of Bernu. Not really a township. You have a servo, CB8 bin, sexy beast, and I think like one house. Anyway, we're going to do the public toilet review. Righto. Nice big open dunny. Plenty of space. Fucking look at that. You can get a parking here. Bog roll, always a win. Non-potable water, good to wash the mitts. Alrighty, we'll give it a 7 out of 10. Let's go, little rehearsal, purple MVP. Oh, gross. I've got what you want, I've got what you need. Good new school quiz, banging on my MP3. I've got what you want, I've got what you want. Cheap classic, bounce like elastic, old school soul. Yeah, baby, now we're in it. On the dirt, love this shit. This is a good road too, I like this road. See what this causeway looks like. Not a whole lot of water though. That's not good. Barrier fence, rubber-proof barrier fence. So this basically runs, I can't exactly remember where it runs from. I'll Google it and put it in the screen. But it's a big fence, stops vermin, has an alarm on it. Don't know if you heard the alarm, but yeah, the alarm goes off. It's designed to scare animals away from your opening. Very shortly we're going to see if there's water in the river. Given how warm it is, I'm very hopeful, but also very doubtful. Fuck yeah, there's water in the river. That's what you want.
My MacStacks thingo is deciding to remove itself, so I'll be a bit longer.
Yeah, right, that's no good. We made it. We're at camp. There's the bike. Here's camp. Well, kind of camp. I don't quite know where we're setting up. Got to wait for everyone else to turn up. They're all in cars, so obviously they're a bit slower than I am. But all in all, flies are friendly, as you can tell. They're bloody all over the show. Extra protein. All in all, very happy with the bike. I stopped just before the river crossing to let the tyres down so that I could, see if that helped a little bit. No real sandy sections, but it definitely helped, as it ought to really. But yeah, happy days. Fucking loving it. We'll see how we go.